Hello and welcome. My name is Vishnu Oscar Pradhanasuma and I'm here with my partner
Alfian Muhammad,
and we're from
SMA
Negeri
Negeri
8
8 Yogyakarta.
Yogyakarta.
Today we are going to present to you our research project, namely the performance of Albatross inspired wing for subsonic aircraft.
So without further ado, let's get on with it.
First of all, let's discuss about Albatross. Albatross is a kind of bird that has an ability to fly thousands of miles without flapping its wings. Why? Because it has a very high lift-to-drag ratio compared to other geometrical shapes of wings like rectangular and elliptical, especially in cruising flight. In this case, we want to combine the Albatross wing with subsonic aircraft. We believe if we can combine these two things, we can fulfill our objectives of making a high-performance subsonic aircraft with Albatross-inspired wing design. High performance means that the aircraft will have a low stall speed, low drag, high lift, and high fuel efficiency.
Two models were made. One is the Albatross-inspired design and the other is the conventional wing design. Both of the models were tested using the software Autodesk Flow Design to find the performance of each wing under certain circumstances. Both wings were also tested in 4 different angles of attack, of which are 0 degree, 8 degree, 16 degree, and 24 degree.
This research used comparative study in order to fulfill new objectives. Thus, all the control variables have to be set in the same way. They are the arc types and the wing area. This is done in order to minimize all the possible appearance of intervening variables during the research.
So here's the end of our presentation, and we're really hoping that our research will be very useful for the future development of high-performance aircraft in order to make a better future for our life.
That's all from us. Thank you.
Goodbye.